Hey trendsetters, I just went down to the local markets yesterday and I picked up this little, I was going to say punnet, but it's just a little pot of Drunken Woman lettuce. Now, I could tease them all apart and plant them all individually, but that's way more effort than I'm prepared to put in. So all I'm going to do is quarter it. So I'll knock it out of the pot, tease it apart gently into quarters, and then plant. And when it comes to harvesting, I can do it either two ways. I can cut and come again, but I wouldn't cut these too deeply because then they might not come again. Or I can just harvest the leaves from around the outside edge. So I don't really need individual plants. Just the 4 clumps that I get out of this will be more than enough. And just there's a ton of plants in here. Now I've already prepared this soil, and I've probably prepared it not well. I won't say badly, but not well. If I was going to do this, ideally I would have added my compost and added the sheep manure at least 3 weeks ago. Would have given all the microbes and fungi and worms and everything in the soil a chance to activate and make the nutrients in the compost and in the manure available to the plant. But they'll catch up. I'm only going to plant them about 8 inches apart because I plan to harvest these quite regularly, so they will never get to their full size. Now we're moving into winter and these guys will be fine, but they're also a pretty good summer lettuce. They're quite slow, well, what they say, slow to bolt, so they don't run to seed as quick as other lettuce will, and they don't mind a bit of the summer sun. But that's about it. If you've got a little square area somewhere, you can buy these as packets of seeds. I went down, saw my favourite seed lady yesterday at the Toowoomba farmers markets. Herb calls herself the VEG table, T-A-B-L-E, the veg table. Quite a clever name, but she grows these lovely seedlings, and I don't mind picking a few up off of her from time to time. So there you go, Drunken Woman lettuce, great little lettuce, good little salad lettuce, quick growing and slow to bolt. Probably a good all-round, good all-round, all-year lettuce. Anyhow, that's it. Cheers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. One more thing. Regular applications of liquid fertiliser. I use power feed once a week, rather than fortnightly as it suggests, so I halve the application rate, and I water these weekly with a liquid fertiliser.